This is my review for the AR Blue Clean 383. Assembly is super easy. You just take out this blue piece, you screw here, here, and down below. The accessories you just lock into place onto the blue clip. It comes with a gun, 2 wands, a fine tip, and then a fan tip. The fan nozzle twists to give you a fine jet or a fan spray. The power cord is a mile long or about 35 feet. The weight isn't too bad, it's pretty light. To start spraying, you just twist in your water supply hose. Each nozzle has teeth that twists into the gun and locks into place. The high pressure hose clicks into place on the handle. And to remove, you just hit the button and pull it out. This is the fine tip nozzle and the fan nozzle. To fill a soap canister, you just pour in your soap and then put the top on and twist. And the blue cap controls how much soap comes out. This is light and this is heavy. So satisfying. I don't like how the high pressure hose unravels by itself, so I just twist it a little bit tighter and it clicks into place. I also just drape the power cord over the top and it's good to go. Overall, it's a great unit and I love using it.